Hello guys, good evening. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. Please, as you're watching this video, endeavor to subscribe. Do not forget, please. Now, I'm still discussing motion. I've solved some questions on this topic, and more questions are yet to be solved, and videos have been uploaded on this topic. Now, you have on the board a question: starting from rest, a body accelerates uniformly at 25 meters per second squared for 30 seconds. What distance does it cover in the last 1 second of motion? B. 17th second of what? Motion. This is what you do. In that sense, don't forget the distance formula, which is S equals what? Sorry, let me get a better marker, which is S equals ut plus half at squared. All right, now there's something you should take note of. They said now in the last 1 second of motion. Now initially the time given was what? 30 seconds. This is what you are going to do, because they said last 1 second, not that the time is one. Oh no, since they said in the last 1 second, it's going to be the time now will be t, like t30 minus t29, because 30 minus 29 is what? 1. Therefore, in doing that, this is what you're going to do. It becomes S equals, now I said before that since it started from rest, u is 0, so u times 0 times c same as what? 0, which means that this expression is not to be what? Considered. Therefore, distance is equals 1 over 2 times the acceleration is what? 25, then open brackets t squared 30. Okay, let me just go through the points, like 30 squared minus 29 squared. All right, you know that the formula itself is what? T squared. A is the what? Acceleration. Therefore, since we are using 30 and 29, each of them is what? Squared separately. We now have that S is equals 1 over 2 times 25, then open bracket, this should be 900 minus, excuse me, permitting to use calculator, excuse me, tell this truth. Please, you have 29 squared, 29 times 29, and that is 841. This 841. So, which means that I have S equals 1 over 2 times 25, then 84. Okay, so 900 minus 841 is 59. Is that correct? 59, that is 0, that is 10, 10, 0, that is 59. So you now have that S is equals 25 times 59, 25 times 59, now 1475 divided by 2. So you have it to be 1475 divided by 2. I have it to be S equals what? 737.5 meter. All right, that is for the last 1 second of what? Motion. Okay, now they said the B of it is what? 17th second of what? Motion. Now 17th S, now let me put it here. S again is equals ut plus half at squared. All right, half at squared. The distance is equals this, then everything here is 0. This is 1 over 2 times 17th is usually what? 17 minus what? 16. 17 minus 16, which is the common acceleration is what? 25. Then you have 17 squared minus what? 16 squared Now S is equals 1 over 2 times 25. Then 17 squared is what? 17 times 17. I have 289 minus, then 16 times 16. I have 256. I'm going to say that S is equals 1 over 2 times 25. Then you now have that should be 30. Okay, I have 33. Therefore, I now have that S is equals 25 times 33. 25 times 33, I have it as 825 divided by 2. The distance now is equals 825 divided by 2. 825 divided by 2 is 412.5 meter. Alright, which means that in the last 1 second, it is what? 373.5 meter. Then in the 17th second of the motion, you have it to be what? 412.5 meter. Please do have a wonderful day.